The iPhone 17 is here. It's that time of year again. Apple's latest flagship has landed, and the hype is real. We're diving deep into what's actually new, from design to cameras, and breaking down the T-Mobile deal that could get you this phone for free. If you're thinking about upgrading or just love tech, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Let's kick off with the real upgrades, the features that actually make a difference in your everyday experience, not just the flashy specs you see in ads. The new A18 Bionic chip is at the heart of this phone, powering smarter, on-device AI that makes everything from photography to voice recognition faster and more intuitive. It's also more efficient, delivering the best battery life yet. Think true all-day use, even if you're streaming, gaming, or multitasking on the go. With Wi-Fi 7 support, you'll notice faster downloads, smoother streaming, and more stable connections, provided you have a compatible router at home or work. The action button is now standard across the lineup, redesigned as a solid-state, haptic button that feels modern and satisfying to use. You can double press or long press for custom shortcuts, launch your favorite app, turn on the flashlight, or start a voice memo. It's a small change, but it has a surprisingly big impact on how quickly you can get things done. These are the features that make daily use noticeably better, helping you stay connected, productive, and entertained. Real improvements you'll actually feel, not just numbers on a spec sheet. Design-wise, the iPhone 17 refines the familiar, building on the iconic look that's become instantly recognizable around the world. Apple hasn't reinvented the wheel, but instead they've focused on perfecting the details that matter most to users. The slightly contoured edges are more than just a visual tweak. They make the phone noticeably more comfortable to hold for long periods, reducing hand fatigue and giving it a more ergonomic feel. On the Pro models, Apple has taken a bold step by introducing under-display Face ID technology. This means the front of the phone is almost all screen, with only a tiny camera cutout remaining. No more dynamic island, and no more distractions. The result is a cleaner, more immersive look that draws you into whatever you're doing, whether you're watching videos, gaming, or just browsing the web. The display itself is brighter than ever before, now reaching an impressive 2,500 nits. This ensures stunning clarity and vibrant colors, even when you're using your phone outdoors in direct sunlight. Apple is also introducing new color options that really stand out. Matte, titanium white, and deep space gray give the Pro models a sophisticated modern look. There's also a rich forest green for the Pros, adding a touch of luxury and uniqueness to the lineup. Meanwhile, the standard models get a playful twist with vibrant new mango and cyan finishes, perfect for those who want their phone to reflect their personality. It's a subtle evolution, but one you'll notice every time you pick it up. The iPhone 17 feels both familiar and refreshingly new, making it a joy to use day after day. Cameras get a serious boost. The Pro's main sensor is bigger, capturing more light for better low-light shots. The Pro Max now offers a 10x optical zoom with a periscope lens. Wildlife and sports shots just got real. Software upgrades powered by the A18 chip bring semantic rendering for more natural portraits and balanced images. Cinematic mode now shoots in 8K, and ProRes video can be recorded directly to an external SSD. Apple's still the king of mobile video, and these upgrades keep it that way. Pricing stays steady. The iPhone 17 starts at $799, the 17 Plus at $899. The Pro starts at $999, now with 256GB base storage, a big win for power users. The Pro Max starts at $199, also with 256GB. Higher storage options go up to 1TB for $1,599. Pre-orders open Friday, with the official launch the following week. If you want a Pro Max in forest green, act fast. If you've been eyeing the latest iPhone but don't want to pay full price, here's how you can get the iPhone 17 for free with T-Mobile's newest offer. This deal is making waves, but there are a few important details to know before you jump in. The first step is to trade in an eligible device, usually a recent iPhone or high-value smartphone, and sign up for either the Go 5G Next or Go 5G Plus plan, which are T-Mobile's top-tier unlimited plans packed with extra features. Instead of a one-time discount, T-Mobile gives you up to $1,000 in bill credits spread out over 24 months. That's enough to cover the full price of a new iPhone 17 Pro if your trade-in is recent and in good condition. The credits are applied each month, so you'll need to stick with T-Mobile for the full 2 years to get the maximum benefit. Each month, you'll see a charge for the phone and an equal credit on your bill, effectively making your net phone cost zero. But remember, if you leave T-Mobile or change your plan early, you'll lose the remaining credits and owe the balance. The catch? You're locked into one of T-Mobile's premium plans for 2 years, which means you'll be paying a higher monthly rate than with basic plans. Make sure you're comfortable with that commitment before signing up. Also, trade-in values drop significantly for older phones or devices in poor condition, so it's important to check your device's worth on T-Mobile's website before heading to the store. The newer your trade-in, the better the deal. For those who are already on a premium T-Mobile plan or planning to upgrade anyway, this can be a fantastic way to score a new iPhone at no extra cost. For everyone else, be sure to factor in the higher plan cost over 2 years. Do the math to see if the savings on the phone outweigh the extra you'll pay for the premium plan. Ultimately, it's a great deal for some, but not for everyone. That's the iPhone 17. Refined design, better cameras, and a tempting carrier deal. Is the under-display camera or 10x zoom enough to make you upgrade? Would you lock in for 2 years to get it free? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the full review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.